This exceptional historic estate is for sale. Located in Shustoke, England. It offers 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Dove House Farm is an exceptional Grade 2 listed country estate, dating from circa 1350, with later 15th and 17th century additions. Beautifully restored, the estate comprises the historic main farmhouse and 3 adjoining cottages, all arranged around a picturesque brick-paved courtyard. Rich in original character, the property features exposed beams, vaulted ceilings, stone walls, flagstone floors, stained glass windows, magnificent fireplaces, and a striking minstrel's gallery, while blending seamlessly with modern comforts. The main house offers impressive reception rooms, a beautifully appointed country kitchen, family room, gym, extensive utility and storage areas, garaging for up to 5 vehicles, and 5 bedrooms, served by 2 bathrooms and a shower room. The 3 fully renovated cottages provide stylish, self-contained accommodation, making the estate ideal for multi-generational living, guest accommodation, or holiday rentals. Set within approximately 3 acres of landscaped grounds, the estate includes formal gardens, a productive walled kitchen garden, terraces, mature trees, a children's play area, charming outbuildings, and a secure paddock suitable for equestrian use or additional recreational space. The asking price of this exceptional historic estate is £2,800,000. Dove House Farm is a truly unique country estate in a peaceful rural setting with excellent transport connections.
For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.